Good morning, everyone. Namaste. We are on lesson 138 in the Course in Miracles, and it is a beautiful lesson. I'm going to chop it. Heaven is the decision I must make. In this world, heaven is a choice because here we believe there are alternatives to choose. We think all the things have an opposite in what we want to choose. If heaven exists, there must be a hell as well for contradiction. It is the way we make what we perceive and what we think is real. Creation knows no opposite, but there is opposition part of being real. It is this strange perception of the truth that makes the choice of heaven seem to be the same as the relinquishment of hell. It is not really thus. Yet, this is true. What is true is God's creation cannot enter here unless it is reflected in some form the world can understand. Truth cannot come where it could be perceived with fear, for this would be the air truth can be brought to illusions. Opposition makes the truth unwelcome and it cannot come. Choice is the obvious escape from what appears as opposites. Decisions let one conflicting goals become the aim of effort and expenditures of time. Without decisions, time is but a waste and efforts dissipate. It is spent for nothing in return and time goes by without results. There is no sense of gain, for nothing is accomplished, nothing is learned. You need to be reminded that you think 1,000 choices are confronting you when there is really only one to make. And even this but seems to be a choice. Do not confuse yourself with all the doubt that is mirrored decisions would induce. You make but one, and when that is made, you will perceive it as no choice at all. For the truth is true and nothing else is real, and there is no opposite to choose instead. There is no contradiction to the truth. Heaven is a choice consciously. The choice cannot be made until alternatives are actually seen and understood, and that is veiled in shadows must be raised to understand, to be judged again. This time with heaven's help, and all mistakes and judgments which the mind has made before are open to correction, as the truth dismisses them as causeless. Now they are without effects. So you could state, heaven is the decision I must make. I make it, now I will not change my mind, because it is the only thing I want.